Hello, welcome back to JessTech Studio. Today, Jess is going to show you how to create this awesome AI avatar, me, right from your phone. It's totally free, super easy, and honestly, kind of mind-blowing. You can use it as your own virtual influencer, or even run a faceless YouTube channel with it just like this one. You'd be surprised how many AI influencers are out there, and you'd never know they're not real people. All right, let's get into it.
So before we generate our pictures, we have to generate our prompts. And in order to do that, you come to ChatGPT, then you type in what you want ChatGPT to do for you, how he should create the prompt for you, what you need in the prompt. So this is mine. I'm going to tweak it up a little bit and then click on send, and it's going to generate a whole prompt for me. So it's created a very, very good prompt for me, but I want to still add some things to it to make it as unique as possible. So you can leave it here or you can tweak it up depending on what you want. Okay, so I added all this just to make sure I have what I want. So for this prompt, I really like it. So let's move on to the next step. You go to your search bar and search for Piclumen. You click on it and sign up. Okay, click on generate for free and it's going to take you to a sign up page and you do so. So once you're done, you go back to ChatGPT and we copy the generated prompt. Once you're done, go back to Piclumen, click on this pencil sign. It will open up an interface for you. So once it does, I've already created something here, so let me delete it. Once it does, you just put in your copied prompt here. You read through and make sure that you're okay with it. Then you click the arrow here to make sure you choose the right aspect ratio for your picture. So this time we are doing a 16 by 9 because this is for a YouTube video. After that, you click on this and choose the first one. Once you're done, you click on this purple sign and it's going to generate your picture for you. So this picture is perfect, it's beautiful, but we can tweak it a little bit. So you click on it and click these three dots right here. Then you click on remix. You can change the prompt or not. Then you click on the arrow sign, the purple arrow sign, and it's going to generate another picture for you. Click on the picture, then you click on this download sign. A download will pop up. You click on download and it's going to go straight to your images. Now we can change the aspect ratio to 1:1. And we can also change the prompt as well. So let's change the aspect ratio and the prompt and see what we can get. This is so beautiful, this is lovely, and this you can really see her face very well. As usual, you click on the download sign and you click on download. It's going to go straight to your images. So I've created a lot. I created a lot and I've downloaded them. I downloaded this as well. This is beautiful. So I went ahead to generate more and I got this beautiful picture. She looks so real, she's perfect. So now let me show you how you're going to get it in the ratio for TikTok or for your Instagram. You click on 5:6 for your aspect ratio, 5:6 for your aspect ratio. Then you input your prompt. This time I changed my prompt. I'm going to put it in the description below if you want it as well. Then you click on generate. So it's going to generate another thing for you. This is beautiful. This is really beautiful. It looks so real. It has the Jestek top on it and this is perfect. So I don't really like a hair short like that. I'm going to change it to long hair and this is what I got. Isn't she beautiful? She looks so perfect. She looks so real. So one thing you should know is you can also use Canva to generate AI prompts. So in case your picture is in the aspect ratio 1:1 and you want it to be in the form of a YouTube, aspect, you can come here, choose a YouTube thumbnail or YouTube interface. I'm going to delete all of this. I'm going to delete all of this. And then you just go to your images and choose the picture that you want to expand. So for this one is for those who have the paid Canva. Okay, if you have a free version, it's not going to work for you. So for the paid version, you just click on it twice on your phone. This is going to pop up. Then you click on expand. Then you click on whole page. So it's going to generate a very, very beautiful background, expanded background for you. So this way you can use it for your YouTube channel. Alright. So there are 4 prompts that are going to come up and you choose one. If you don't want any of these, you can generate them again. So I chose this. This is perfect for me. So I went ahead to create more pictures and they are really perfect. You can create different pictures in different settings, and the exciting part is that most of them look like the same person. So this way you wouldn't have problems with consistent characters and you can change their background every time.
If you found this video helpful, kindly like, subscribe, and hit the notifications so you don't miss on any of our videos. See you in the next video.